Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn idioms and phrases to speak like a native speakers and enrich your vocabulary and you can build your communication skills. Without wasting any time, so let's get started. The first one is all in the same boat. It means in a similar situation or in the same position. This idiom is used in such condition when two or three people have the same position or a same situation. For example, if you and your friend got a lot of homework to do, then you can say to your friend that we both are in the same boat. Beat around the bush. To waste time or to avoid answering a question. If you ask someone a question and that person is not willing to give you an answer, then he may uh, try to talk in an indirect manner and he will not be coming to the point, to the exact point, but he's coming to a indirect point. Beat around the bush. It means to waste time or to avoid answering a question. It means someone is not able to or not willing to give you an answer if you have asked the question, or simply talking in an indirect manner to divert your mind to other topic. So in such situation you can use this idiom. Next one, can't cut the mustard. It means not able to deal with difficulties in a satisfactory way and not enough skilled, or someone is unable to succeed or meet expectation. Can't cut the mustard. This idiom suggests that or indicate that someone is unable to achieve, or someone who cannot succeed is unable to do the required work or not enough skilled. Next, let the cat out of the bag. It means revealing a secret by mistake. It's not revealing intentionally, unknowingly revealing a secret. We use this idiom in such situations. For example, if somebody revealed the secret of surprise or something, you can use like this: John let the cat out of the bag of wedding party plan, like that. Keep an eye on. To watch over something or somebody with attention. To watch over something or somebody with attention carefully, to keep your eye on that thing or that person, or observing them carefully. You can use this kind of idiom. Eat like a horse. It means someone eat too excessively or to eat lot. In such situation you can use eat like a horse. He is eating like a horse, like that. On cloud 9. When somebody is very happy or extremely happy, at that time they can say that on cloud 9, like that. Go to an extra mile. To make extra effort. To put effort more than required. This is what this idiom suggests. Go to hell in a hand basket. It means to be in an extremely and increasingly bad condition, or when the situation is so worst. At such kind of situation you can use this idiom. Thank you for watching the video till end, and please do like the video if it was useful and helpful, and share the video with others. And do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for next videos. Please do watch the videos and improve your communication skills every day.